Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Garuda Dhwaja.
Choose peace. Choose love. That is the alternative. Whatever you're feeling, whatever you're thinking, there's always the alternative. And there's always the option to choose love and peace.
Before we start showing compassion to others, be compassionate to yourself also. Take care of yourself. If you are not taken care of, you can't take care of anybody else. Because it's all here. If you are not healed here, you will not feel others.
Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Shiva.
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 Guru Om Jaya Jaya Sadhguru
Triambakam Yajamahe Skundim
Jaya Jaya
Vishtivardhanam.
Sadhguru Om.
Guru Om Jaya Jaya Sadhguru
Guru Om Jaya Jaya Sadhguru Om.
Shiva Om Jaya Jaya Sad Shiva
Shiva Om Jaya Jaya Sada Shiva Om.
Guru Deva Guru Om Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya Shiva Namah Shivaya